Good afternoon everyone, it's me Biswa Tamang and I am studying in grade 9 of Greece Society Public School. Today I am in front of you to present my class rule project under the trigonometric. So the class rule project had 3 rules, first, second and third. To understand the first rule, we have created a graph with 4 quadrants, first, second and third. To understand or memorize this easily, we have used mnemonics called after school to college. A at the first quadrant, S at the second, T at the third and C at the fourth. First quadrant, A means all positive. All the trigonometric ratio lies here will be positive. In the second quadrant, S, sine and its reciprocal cosec will be positive and all will be negative. In the third quadrant, T, tan and its reciprocal cot will be positive and other trigonometric ratio will be negative. On the last, C, C means cos and sec. Cos and sec will be positive and the other trigonometric ratio will be negative. On the second rule, the trigonometric ratio will change if an angle of a trigonometric ratio is odd multiple of 90 degree. Sine change into cos, cos change into sine, tan change into cot, cot change into tan, cosec change into sec, sec change into cosec. And trigonometric ratio will not change if an angle is an even multiple of 90 degree. For the third rule, if an angle of trigonometric ratio is in negative, it lies in fourth quadrant, which means except cos and sec, all the trigonometric ratio will be negative. At last, in the summary, cast rule have 3 rules, first, second and third. For the first rule, we have make a graph and make the 4 quadrant of that graph. In the first quadrant, all trigonometric ratio will be positive. In second quadrant, sine and its reciprocal cosec will be positive and all trigonometric ratio will be negative. In third quadrant, tan and cot will be positive and all will be negative. In the fourth quadrant, sec and cos will be positive and all will be negative. For the second rule, if an trigonometric ratio angle is an odd multiple of 90 degree, it will change. Sine change into cos, cos change into sine, tan change into cot, cot change into tan, and cosec change into sec, sec change into cosec. If an trigonometric angle of a trigonometric ratio is an even multiple of 90 degree, it will not change. For the third rule, if an trigonometric angle is in negative form, it will accept cos and sec, all the trigonometric ratio will be negative because minus theta lies in the fourth quadrant and in the fourth quadrant cos and sec are positive and all are negative. Thank you.